Have you ever wondered if the scales of justice are truly balanced? The legal system, a cornerstone of our society, is tasked with maintaining order, protecting rights, and administering justice. Yet it's not without its flaws. Corruption, lack of transparency, and the undue influence of power and money can tilt these scales, often leading to an erosion of trust in the system. This corruption may manifest through bribery, favoritism, or manipulation of legal processes for personal gain. What's more, inadequate oversight and enforcement mechanisms can allow these issues to flourish unchecked. Addressing these challenges requires comprehensive reforms to strengthen accountability, promote transparency, and uphold the principles of justice and fairness. It's a mammoth task, but a necessary one. To truly appreciate the magnitude of these issues and to understand the challenges we face, we must delve into the history of the U.S. legal system. The roots of our legal system can be traced back to the colonial period. When the first settlers arrived on American shores, they brought with them the English common law, a system of law that was based on court judgments and statutes. This set of laws and principles guided the settlers in their new life and became the foundation of the early American legal system. The influence of British common law was profound and far-reaching. It established the principle that the law comes from the people and not from a monarch, a revolutionary idea in a time when kings and queens held absolute power. This democratic principle became a cornerstone of the American legal system, shaping the way we understand and interpret the law today. As the new nation grew, so did the need for a unified legal framework. This led to the establishment of the Constitution in 1787. The Constitution, often referred to as the supreme law of the land, laid out the structure of our government and defined the rights and freedoms of its citizens. It served as the blueprint for our legal system, guiding the nation's laws and the legal principles. Over the centuries, the American legal system has evolved and adapted to societal changes. This journey has been marked by significant milestones that have shaped the system as we know it today. One of the key developments in the early years was the establishment of the Supreme Court in the late 18th century. This institution, the highest court in the land, was designed to interpret the Constitution and serve as the final arbiter in legal disputes. Its decisions have had profound impacts on the country's laws and society at large. As we moved into the 20th century, landmark cases such as Brown versus Board of Education made their mark on history, challenging segregation and furthering the cause of equality for everyone. Meanwhile, Roe versus Wade ignited a nationwide conversation about the rights of unborn children. Gideon versus Wainwright in 1963, criminal defendants have a right to an attorney even if they cannot afford one. Miranda versus Arizona in 1966, prisoners must be advised of their rights before being questioned by police. However, it's important to remember that while these changes have brought progress, they've also brought challenges. The evolution of the legal system has been influenced not only by the pursuit of justice, but also by power, money, and sometimes corruption. These historical events have shaped our legal system, but issues of integrity persist. In spite of its long history, our legal system still faces significant challenges. These challenges are multifaceted and complex, stemming from systemic weaknesses, the influence of power and money, and a lack of transparency. Systemic weaknesses in the legal structure can often lead to a lack of justice, with certain groups disproportionately affected. These weaknesses can manifest in various ways, such as inadequate legal aid, lengthy trial periods, and overcrowded prisons. The influence of power and money is another significant challenge. It's no secret that one political party has weaponized the justice system against the other, and against its citizens in recent years. This imbalance can tilt the scales of justice, making it harder for those without resources to receive fair treatment. Furthermore, a lack of transparency can undermine trust in the legal system. When court proceedings are not open to public scrutiny, or when the reasons behind legal decisions are not clearly explained, it can lead to suspicion and doubt. The influence of secret lobbying, backroom deals, and favoritism can further erode this trust. So, how do we address these issues? Comprehensive reforms are needed to strengthen accountability, promote transparency, and uphold the principles of justice and fairness. Strengthening accountability means holding all actors in the legal system, from lawyers to judges, accountable for their actions. This could involve stricter oversight, harsher penalties for misconduct, and improved training and education. Promoting transparency involves making court proceedings more accessible and understandable to the public. This could mean simplifying legal language, publishing court decisions, or even live streaming trials. Finally, upholding the principles of justice and fairness means ensuring that everyone, regardless of their background or resources, has equal access to the legal system. This could involve expanding legal aid, reforming sentencing guidelines, or improving prison conditions. As we move forward, it's crucial that we continue to scrutinize and reform our legal system to ensure it serves all citizens equitably. The road to reform is long and arduous, but it's a journey we must undertake if we want to live in a society that truly values justice and fairness. The integrity of our legal system is a testament to our societal values. We've journeyed through its history, witnessing its evolution from humble beginnings to a complex system. We've grappled with current challenges, from systemic weaknesses to lack of transparency, and the sway of power and money. The need for ongoing reform is clear. It's a quest for increased accountability, more transparency, and a steadfast commitment to justice and fairness. By understanding our past, we can better navigate the future, ensuring our legal system remains a pillar of justice and fairness. Can America survive this perversion of our justice system? Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.